Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tariff report for John in New York on the Stryker SR-955. John, got ready to go for you, bud? Let's get right to it. Oh, and before I do, get a lot of questions about what mic I use on the bench. Love these Superstar mics. Love them. Great audio, nice cord on them. You just can't beat them for the money. They're $12 and they're on my website, www.truckcbsales.com. Okay? Back to the video. RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Right there you're looking at 4 watts all the way down, just in case he decides to run a high drive amp. 20 watts all the way up. Let's just roll this back down one more time. 2 watts all the way down. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 50 watts in the corner. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 100 watts on the money. Alright, John, it's ready to come to New York. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.